In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Indeed account step by step. Whether you found a job and no longer need your Indeed account, or you're simply looking to clean up your online presence, closing your account is pretty straightforward. Let's walk through the entire process together so you can be sure you've done it correctly. First, we start by navigating to the Indeed homepage. You can do this by typing Indeed into your preferred web browser's search bar or entering the URL directly. Once you're on the Indeed website, you'll need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. This is an important step because the account settings we need access to are only available once you're logged in, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Next, after successfully logging in, you'll want to head over to your profile. You'll usually find your profile icon at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on your profile icon will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, search for an option that says Settings and give it a click. This section is your gateway to various account customization and privacy settings that Indeed offers. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to focus on Account Settings. This is where you can manage significant changes to your profile, including the decision to close your account. Click on Account Settings and take a moment to glance around if you'd like a quick overview of all the options available to you. Now, to proceed with closing your account, look for an option that clearly says Close My Account. It's important to note that this action is permanent. So before you click, be absolutely certain that this is what you want to do. Closing your account will delete all your information from Indeed, including your resumes, applications, and any job preferences you may have set up. If you're sure about this decision, go ahead and click Close My Account. You might be prompted to confirm this decision by entering your password or responding to other security prompts. This additional step is a standard measure to ensure that the account closure is intentional and secure. Once you've followed through with any confirmation requests, your Indeed account will be closed permanently. You won't be able to access any of your past information or retrieve any data that was previously saved on the platform. And there you have it. The process is complete. You've successfully deleted your Indeed account. In closing, always remember that managing your online accounts thoughtfully helps you maintain privacy and reduces your digital footprint. If you have any more questions about account management or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or contact Indeed's support team for guidance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.